2015, I received a head injury, and this is how I put my life back together. The frontal lobe or the prefrontal cortex. My new viewers, this is a series, so please look for it in my playlist. Thank you. Here we go.
Good morning. Today's question, how do you eat an elephant? Stay tuned for the answer. excited to announce that I've gotten things transferred over to the new computer, so I should be back up and running fully come next month. I'm still gonna go ahead and do the 2 videos this month, and then I'm hoping that come next month that I will be able to start posting normally. But yeah, I'm super excited for all of these videos to come out. I'm super excited to wrap up 2022, and I did have a couple of extra videos that I did not include within the list that will be coming out as time goes on. So stay tuned for those. So excited to actually be back working, doing this again. I feel great. I feel amazing. I feel hopeful. So let's hope nothing decides to actually crop up out of the woodwork. I am so excited for some of these new videos to come out, some of these upgrades that I've done to the channel, and to explain to you guys about these upgrades that I've done to the channel. One of which you already know, I've officially changed the name of the channel to TBI Journey. It is no longer TBIAF, and I'll miss that part, but I do feel that this is far more professional and more of what I'm looking for. So we're just gonna have to tell her goodbye, move forward. So I gotta get all these videos edited, and as I'm talking to you, my hair's falling down and getting into my face and into my mouth. So we're gonna go edit some videos, and with that, we'll see you next time. Have a good day. Bye.
Ooh.